Hey there! Today we're diving into a problem that might just give you a headache if you're in networking setups. The issue here revolves around getting OSB unikernels to talk nicely with your bridge setup in KVM QEMU. The central problem lies in ARP requests not quite reaching their destination, leaving your VM hanging without replies. Now let's talk about the solution. It seems that the Linux kernel was putting the brakes on your frames because of an invalid MAC address. Yep, it turns out that pesky multicast bit in the first octet was causing all the trouble. By ensuring that the MAC address is valid, those ARP replies should make it to where they need to go, and your ping should start getting some replies. In summary, the key to getting your VM to play nice with the bridge lies in ensuring that the MAC address isn't causing any issues. Once that's sorted, your ARP requests should find their way home, and your ping should start getting some POM replies. So, give that solution a shot, and hopefully, your networking setup headaches will be a thing of the past. Good luck, and may your packets always find their way home. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Networking mysteries solved.